Hey guys, what's up? IFFTECHCARE is here and it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10. There are some mysterious teasings in Samsung's own videos. Last time we talked about the first Samsung Galaxy S10 leak that said that Samsung will still be using its infinity display similar to the S9 and S8 with minimal bezels as possible, and that the design is finalized. It's expecting that the display size will be same as the S9 and S9 Plus, coming at 5.8 inch and 6.2 inch, but they will be smaller thanks to the less bezels, and seems like the Samsung is going to eliminate the bottom bezel completely. The first step, which everyone is talking about, it's a Galaxy S9 add a remix your everyday bro, and basically at about 4 seconds it shows this phone with a very minimum bottom bezels. As you guys have seen the Galaxy S9 and you guys know that the bottom bezels are not that thin, it's just a bit misleading at Samsung's part. I mean, it's a Galaxy S9 ad showcasing its slow-mo feature, etc. It's just a little misleading at all. But recently, another Samsung video called The Touch of History has taken this to the whole new freaking level. It was uploaded on Samsung Showbiz channel. The video itself is pretty crazy. We have a phone with pretty much no bottom bezel at all. Now, why would they use a phone with no bottom bezel at all in their own promotional video? There is no Samsung phone which exists with this design, but it reminds me of something. Yeah, that patent we saw a couple of weeks ago, which shows that Samsung is working on a design with no bottom bezel at all. In this very same video, they show the Samsung Galaxy S9, but in renders, there is the phone that resembles the next level infinity design with no bottom chin at all. And again, ironically, it's the same design we saw in the patent design application. So for all the leaks and everything that we have heard, all that points to the no notch display. So the notch is not happening. This design is the one to most likely happen. We have also seen this a lot of times in other Samsung promotional stuff from different applications, etc. So this seems to be the ultimate plan for the Galaxy S10 design. Also, it's reported that the Samsung has finished the development of the 7nm chip process and has begun to prepare its line for production. According to cdaily.com, work was finished on the 7nm process last month, and the engineer responsible has already started working on a 5nm chip process. The current Gen Exynos processors on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus still uses the 10nm processor, and the 7nm will take things to the whole new beastly level. We'll finally see first Android phone to go beyond 10,000 multi-core score in Geekbench with ease, and it will probably score 5,000 single-core score as well. 7nm chips are not only faster, they also use less power than the existing chips, so the battery life, CPU temperatures, all that will be improved. The first 7nm chip produced from the Samsung is expected to be the Snapdragon 855. It will be a 5G capable chip, and apparently it will be 40% faster and will require 35% less battery power to operate than the current gen processors. So just like the Galaxy S9, the Galaxy S10 will be the first phone to rock a Snapdragon 855 processor as well as the latest 7nm Exynos processor. And lastly, no doubt about it, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will be first phone from Samsung to rock an in-display fingerprint scanner. Been pointing out in that leak we talked about a couple of weeks ago, and a 3D front camera will be there. We don't know what will be the fate of Galaxy Note 9 as far as the in-display fingerprint scanner goes, but we'll see about that. The S10 is the ultimate phone that all of you guys are waiting for, and that's gonna be ultimate upgrade for people that are using S8, because S9 is a perfect phone, it's a perfect Galaxy, but it's not something that is recommended to upgrade from the last year. Samsung will deliver to their absolute best because they listen to their customer. As we know, the S9 Plus is the complete phone right now on the market, and it's gonna get even better with the Galaxy S10. So let me know if you like this design. Would you prefer this over a notch design? And make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.